easily attract rich potential husbands. Jasmine said she liked that name a lot. She wanted only the best for her daughter, as she thought about the wonderful life that her daughter would have with her wealthy husband. If she named her daughter Akuada, she knew her baby girl would never want for anything in the future. Jasmine then said to her ancestors, "Are there more names too?" Her ancestor said yes. And then a blinding flash of light suddenly whisked her away. Her ancestor said the second name is Ego Amaka. So then Jasmine asked, "And what does that name mean?" So then her ancestor responded, "Ego means money, and Amaka means wonderful, is beautiful, is amazing." So together, Ego Amaka means money is amazing.